Hi students, welcome at KitKan Digital Learning. I am your English teacher. Today I am presenting you lecture number 2 and topic is learning the alphabet. From your book We Learn English class 1 published by Oxford University Press. Before I start our today topic, I would like to advise you few topics for effective learning and takes maximum benefits from KitKan Digital Learning. Like and subscribe your school channel so don't missing any video. Carefully listen and watch video from start to end. Find out the answer of the question from the video. Let's start our topic. Learning the alphabet. Capital letters reading practice. Let's reading practice with me. A astronaut. A aeroplane. A ant. A apple. A X. B bee. B banana. B bear. B book. B butterfly. C computer. C candle. C coins. C cow. D doll. D dog. D dolphin. D drum. E elephant. Eagle. Egg. At. F flag. Fish. Flower. Frog. G giraffe. Gift. Glass. Guitar. H hat. Hammer. Horse. I ice cream. Ink. Insect. Iron. J jeep. Jam. Jellyfish. Jug. K kitten. Key. King. Kite. L lamp. Ladder. Leaf. M monkey. Money. Moon. Mop. N nurse. Needle. Net. Newspaper. O orange. O octopus. O onion. O owl. P pan. Peacock. Pencil. Plant. Q coin. Quarter. Question mark. R rocket. Rabbit. Radio. Ring. Rose. S star. 6 spider. Sun. T tap. Tent. Turtle. Two. U umbrella. Umpire. V van. Vase. Vegetable. Violin. W watch. Walnut. Want. Watermelon. X xylophone. X-ray. Y yo-yo. Yacht. Yellow. York. Z zip. Zebra. Zigzag. Students, hope you enjoyed and learned basic concept of topic today. We have presented on the platform of KitKan Digital Learning. Don't forget to find out answer of the questions and reply answer of the questions on within 22 hours to maintain your summer vacations learning project marks as total 10 marks in your final term exam based on reply all questions. Hope to see you in next topic and learn more new concepts. Thank you and bye bye.